Hi guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how I made this beautiful scrunchie turban, and I will be using this beautiful orange color fabric to make it. I made this boo-boo on it to show you guys how beautiful this turban is. Without further ado, let's dive to the DIY. Bye guys. The measurement of this fabric is 35 inches by 35 inches. So I will fold it in 4 equal parts. Then I will put this in 16 inches because I want my diameters to be 32 inches wide. So I'll put it in 16 inches. Then I will nail it down. Then I will start to mark it. After cutting it like this one is a jeans fabric, it's strong. So I will attach it to this to give it structure, to make it stand, so that it will not be fluffy. How do I say this? Anyway, so that it will not be soft, it will make it stand. I will pin it around because I'm taking this to the machine to sew, to secure it together. Now we'll rule this side. You rule the side you're going to stitch. This ruler is 2 inches. It's 2 inches width. You just make it easier for you to rule. I'll leave this first line, then I will mark here. You see? Then I will leave this place, this second line. Then I will mark here. I will mark here. Then I will mark here. You mark one, jump one, mark one, jump one. Like that. Then you leave the second row empty. Then you go to the other row. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. If you like, you can hand stitch it. It will take you longer time to do. So I will take it to the machine. I will take here and take here. You see, I will stitch it together, back stitch it twice. Okay, then I will take here, I will take here, sew it, back stitch it twice. I'll just do everything like that. After sewing it, this is how it looks like. This is the back and this is the front. So what I will do now, I will start to gather it around. This one that I'm using for the scarf is 17 inches by 44 inches. So I will fold it like this. Then I will take it to the machine to sew it. Then after sewing it, I will turn it. Then I will measure 4 inches. Then pin it. So I'll put elastic in this place. I will double this elastic to make it wider. So I will take these 2 elastics to the machine and sew. When sewing it, I will be drawing it so that it will not lose the elasticity. I don't know how to pronounce it. Or you zigzag it. If you sew it on a zigzag machine, you don't have to draw it, but if you sew it on a straight machine, you should draw it so that it will not lose the elasticity. After sewing the elastic together, I will insert it inside here. I'll pin it. Then I'll pin it. You see where the elastic is? But I will pin it here because it has to have room for the elasticity. I cannot pronounce this. Oh my God. So I'll bring it here like so. I'll pin it here. So I will take it to the machine to sew here and sew here. Then I will put this scarf on my head like this. Then I will tie it again like so. All right, and I'll put this inside this place like so. Then this one I'll put it in the down like so. Okay, then I'll now take this baby here. So I'll now put this on my head like this. You should wash out on this place. When you're doing this place, you should make sure that it will fit your head. Where you want to put it is very important, okay? So I'll put this here like so. So this one that I'm about to do now is risky. You have to be very careful when doing this. If you don't have anybody, I cannot pin this on my head myself. I have to do this by force. I don't have any option. So because I cannot pin it, if I pin it on my head, I might pin my hair together. So it will be difficult to pull. So what I will do, after you arrange it to the way you want it, if you're doing this by yourself, if you don't have anybody to do this for you, so what you do, you see, I'll put hot gum. Like I'll put hot gum in this place like this. It's risky because when this thing burn you, then you press it down. You see? You have to systemize it the way you want it before doing this process, okay? And I have to see that the gum is coming out. Okay, it's coming out now. Then I'll put hot gum here. I will do this off camera. I just want to do only this because I have to do this in front of a mirror. I'm just doing this for you to understand what I'm trying to do. Then I'll hold it a while to cool down. Then I'll leave it, you see. I've already gummed there. So after gumming it, I'll remove it from my head. I'll remove it. Then I will now put it on the mannequin head to sew. This is how I will stitch this. I'll pass my needle through the down like this. I will just show it once, then you do it like that till end. I'll pass my needle through, you see this down like this. You see the gum, it pulls. That is why you see that it's not gummed to this place. See, it was like this, but it pulls, you see. So I'll pass needle through the down like this, then I will take it to the up. You see, close it, pass it through the down like this, then I will take it up like this. Then I'll pass it through the down like this. Then I will take it, then I'll pick the up. This is how we do it to the end. Pick the up, pick the down, pick the up, pick the down. Just sew it around like that till end.